going to start what is a variable length argument in Python and what and how many types. So there are two types of variable length argument in Python: variable length positional argument asterisk n, and variable length keyword argument double asterisk n. This is single star n, double star n. So I'm going to start and explain variable length positional argument. So how you can just use it. Suppose I'm defining one function with the using of keyword def keyword. So I'm using the function name is myfunc, and suppose I want to add 1 to 5 number. So suppose I'm defining 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and I need to define like every argument one parameter for this, n1 for 1, n2 for 2, n3 and n3 for 3 comma n4 for 4, or n4 n5 n5 for 5. So again we need to define like print, and I am just copy taking copy from this and use plus operator instead of comma. And so when I run this, so it will give me the output of sum of this number. Suppose if I increase the number 5 to 6, so it will again hectic for me to again do the same thing, n6. So instead of this we can use the asterisk n positional argument like star n. For we don't need to define so many variables. So it will give you the tuple. So let me just give you the show you how it will give the tuple. So it give it tuple 1 to 6. So how you can just use this tuple to sum this variable. So for I in this tuple n, and by default I am making one variable name assigning 0 value every time assign as it will assign. So every time it will assign width of I. So when I'm just print m, so this is a code need to sum every number. So it will give the tuple, and every tuple I iterate the value for with the using of for loop, and every time first time it will iterate 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1, m new value is 1, again m new value is 2. So it will just sum all the numbers with the using of positional argument. So how you can just check like this give the 6. That let me just show you how it's giving the 6. Let me, because here I mention 1, need to mention I. Like again it will give the error. Again it will not give the error because of we made earlier one. So need to change it I. So it will not give you the error. So now it's 21 is the total sum of error. So here you can mention so many numbers: 7 comma 8 comma 99 comma 314. So means this technique, you there is no need to change again and again your script. So when I'll run this, it will give the sum of this one. So this is a positional argument, variable and positional argument. So how you can keyword argument. So double asterisk when you will use. So when you will use the double asterisk, so this is a keyword argument. So I'm just going to print it, and so it will give you the dictionary for this keyword argument. Let me just only 50, only 60, and just calling this. So while I'm printing this, like it taking zero potential argument. So let me just run. It is providing a dictionary because when you defining the keyword argument, always it provide the dictionary. So dictionary key value pair. Suppose I am defining here uh, 2 comma defining their key value pair. Suppose n1 is 1, n2 is equal to 2, comma n3 is equal to 3. So when I'll run this, you will see it will give you the output of dictionary, and we need to add the value key value pair in the value pair 1, 2 or 3. So how you can just use it? So in the value method, we can use the values. It will give the output list of values. So it is the list of values, and now with the using of sum built-in function, we can sum all the list values, like it's the sum of all list values. So this is the way you can just make the keyword length argument in your Python, as well as you cannot use like this first keyword again position, because it will throw you error. Suppose I am just printing n and I'm changing it for m, and let me print you. It will throw you error because we cannot use keyword argument first and positional argument second. So when I'll run, it will throw you error. Suppose if you'll just interchange the this one, so it will not throw you error because of this is a rule for this. So again, so it is providing one dictionary as well as one tuple. So for tuple, I did not define anything. So I'm defining 1, comma 2, comma 3 again. So when I run this, I am just clearing the screen and run this. So it is providing like dictionary and tuple. So you cannot use first keyword positional argument, keyword key keyword argument, and then positional argument. Always you have to use first positional argument, then keyword argument. So thank you so much.